basic AutoCAD for 21st century learners. I am Anton Andres Samaniego, and allow me to introduce you in CAD operation, most especially in using AutoCAD as software and creating your design. You can play or pause this video to furtherly understand the topic. Our discussion for today is mainly focused on what is CAD and its role in design industry. The overview of AutoCAD as software that includes the brief history, the pros and cons in using this software. Before we dig deeper, let us first define CAD or computer-aided design. CAD or CAD was originally the three-letter acronym for computer-aided drafting. As in the early stage of the industry, it was essentially a replacement for the traditional drafting board. As the time passed by, it was interchanged with computer-aided design to reflect the fact that modern CAD software does much more than just drafting. It provides a wide range of computer-based tools that assist engineers, architects, and other design professionals in their design activity. CAAD Computer-Aided Architectural Design, CAD Computer-Aided Design, CADD Computer-Aided Design and Drafting, CAID Computer-Aided Industrial Design, and CAM Computer-Aided Manufacturing. All these terms are essentially synonymous but differs in meaning and application. CAD is the use of computer system to aid or assist in the creation, modification, analysis, or optimization of a designs, where CAD softwares increases the productivity of the designer, improve the quality of design, improve communication through documentation, and to create a database for manufacturing operation. CAD output is often in the form of electronic files for print, machining, or manufacturing operation. CAD is also used to produce either two-dimensional or three-dimensional diagrams. It is widely known that CAD software is frequently used in engineering-based industries, think manufacturing and industrial design. However, both industry-specific and general-purpose design applications are heavily utilized in virtually any industry that produce tangible objects or products. Some computer design softwares are used in aerospace, automotive cartography, civil engineering, fashion, interior design, and landscaping, and many others. During 1982, when John Walker and other 12 programmers found $59,000 to start Autodesk or AutoCAD and began working on several computer applications, the first to be completed was AutoCAD. AutoCAD, a commercial software application for 2D and 3D computer-aided design and drafting, as a desktop application since 2010 as a mobile web and cloud-based app marketed as AutoCAD. It was developed and marketed by Autodesk Incorporated. AutoCAD was first released in December 1982, running on microcomputers with internal graphics controllers. Prior to the introduction of AutoCAD, most commercial CAD programs ran on mainframe computers or mini-computers, with each CAD operator or user working at a separate graphics terminal. AutoCAD used across a wide range of industries by architects, project managers, engineers, designers, and other professionals. It is supported by 750 training centers worldwide as of 1994. We have here the timeline of AutoCAD software, the official name of every version released at particular year. AutoCAD was derived from a program begun in 1979 and released in 1979 called InterActCAD, referred to in early Autodesk documents as MicroCAD, which was written prior to Autodesk, the Microsoft Software's partners formation by Autodesk co-founder Mike Cradle. The first version of Autodesk was demonstrated at the 1982 Comdex and released that December. The 2015 release marked the 29th major release for the AutoCAD for Windows. The 2014 release marked the 4th consecutive years for AutoCAD for Mac. AutoCAD software is available with different languages used in English, German, French, Italian, Spanish, Korean, Chinese Simplified, Chinese Traditional, Brazilian Portuguese, Russian, Hungarian, Albanian. Let's move on to the advantages and disadvantages of AutoCAD. Let us first discuss the advantages. First is practical and ease to use. User-friendly, ease of accuracy, paperless environment, time and cost saving, reduces human error. Number 2. Real-time modification. Easy to edit, ease of repetition and addition. Revision simplicity. Number 3. 2D and 3D production of drawing. Number 4. Information storage and filing. Save files in electronic format, store documents up to the maximum memory of the computer or in other external devices, and retrieval of files or data is possible. Number 5. Supported documentation and calculations. Notes, specification, and the bill of materials can be produced with accuracy. Mass, area, volume, and etc. can also be calculated. Number 6. It enhances presentation, applying materials, lights, and rendering. Number 7. Model simulation. Let's move on to the disadvantages of AutoCAD. First is expensive and fragile equipment is required and can be damaged drastically. Computer plotter, large format printer, or even 3D printer are too expensive and proper care and maintenance. Number 2. Registered software that requires heavy recurring annual fee and continuous updating requires financial support. Number 3. Electricity is mandatory in running the equipment. Number 4. Data storage is also fragile. Data corruption or data loss is a bug threat for all data banks. Experts suggest mirroring of data or saving in multi-hard drives on multiple locations. Number 5. Piracy and hacking threat must also observe. Number 6. Special computer skills are required, for computers cannot think, cannot design, cannot make decisions, or even eliminate human errors. However, computers and humans are compatible. Humans can think, create, and reason. Computers cannot. But humans are slow, inaccurate, and inconsistent. If it is used appropriately, the computer, therefore, can be effectively tool to aid human creativity in designing and solving tasks, and to use CAD system effectively. A thorough understanding of the principles and practices related to the task is essential. So let us do some recap. CAD or CAD is the use of computer system to aid or assist in the creation, modification, analysis, or optimization of a design, where CAD softwares increase the productivity of the designer, improve quality of design, improve communication through documentation, and to create a database for manufacturing operation. CAAD or Computer-Aided Architectural Design, CAD Computer-Aided Design, CADD Computer-Aided Design and Drafting, CAID Computer-Aided Industrial Design, CAM Computer-Aided Manufacturing. All these items are essentially synonymous but differ in meaning and application. AutoCAD, a commercial software application for 2D and 3D computer-aided design, or CAD and drafting, as a desktop application, and since 2010 as a mobile web and cloud-based app marketed as Autocad 360. It was developed and marketed by Autodesk Incorporated. Autocad was first released in December 1982. That's all for today. I hope you learned something about the history and the pros and cons in using Autocad as software.